This is a tutorial on how to change your GPS location and fake your iPhone location without jailbreaking. Not only this, I will be sharing details on UltFone anniversary celebration giveaway where you can win 100% free gifts and discount on various UltFone applications. So if you are looking to change your GPS location to fake location on social media like WhatsApp or Snapchat, or want to bypass geo-blocking to spoof your location to access geo-restricted AR games like Pokemon Go, or want to access websites and apps, then this video is for you. Watch this full and you will get to know how to fake your location on iPhone without jailbreak. Hey folks, Akhil here from WM Originals back with another video, and today I will tell you how to change GPS location on iPhone without jailbreak. And for this I will not be downloading any application on my iPhone, I will be doing it through a Windows laptop. So today I am teaming up with UltFone to present you UltFone iOS location changer. With UltFone iOS location changer you can fake GPS on the go by overwriting your current coordinates. Just one click and your location will change to wherever you want to, and that will be done without jailbreaking your iPhone or iPad device. You can not only spoof your location but can also do two-spot movement at custom speed that will let your iPhone's GPS position move at a specified speed. And that's not enough, it can also do multi-spot movements. Just connect your device and select a location to fake your location on an iPhone. So if you want to fake your GPS location and want to try out UltFone iOS location changer, check the link in description and pinned comment. Now let's give it a try and I will show you how to change iPhone location. For first, let's move back to top of the page and click on free download. Download starts, and once completed, click on downloaded file to start with installation process. After that, follow the process to complete installation. Once done, click on start to open application. It will then download some latest iPhone driver components. Once done, we are set to change or fake our iPhone GPS location. Here we have UltFone iOS location changer, clean and simple UI. From here we can change location, and here we have single spot movement, and from here we can do multi spot movement. But today I will tell you how to change iPhone location, and for that click on this and click on enter now, and thereafter I will plug in my iPhone through USB. Now here is also my iPhone screen where it will come up with a notification. Tap on trust the computer and device will get connected. Here it shows my current location as Delhi. To confirm, let's open Google Maps on my iPhone, and here it shows my location as Delhi. Now let's try to change the location to United States, and for that just enter United States and click on search. Now here it shows up, and once we select destination, location changes to United States. You can also move this location pointer to wherever you want to, and after we have reached our desired location, click on start to modify. Now this will change my current iPhone GPS location to United States. To confirm, let's again open Google Maps on my iPhone, and here it shows my location as United States. See how easy it is to fake GPS location on iPhone without jailbreak. So easy and simple. This way you can change your iPhone location to wherever you want to and prank your friends. Can also gain access to geo-restricted games. I will highly recommend to try out UltFone iOS location changer, as it is very easy and simple to change your location on iPhone. It can be done with a simple click. So what are you waiting for? Check the link in description and pinned comment to try it out now. Now let's talk about UltFone anniversary celebrations, where you can get 100% win giveaway and many more offers. Here we are on promotions page of UltFone. We have 100% win giveaway. Just share this and enter your email to get 1 month free license. Here are top sellers bundles, and not only this, and here are UltFone products that are available for up to 75% discount. That's not enough, you can also get 30% discount on any UltFone product Just copy this coupon and use it. Now let's talk about pricing, and for that let's move back to official website and click on buy now. Here we have different pricing plans for Windows version of UltFone iOS location changer, and if you want it for Mac device, click on this. And here we have pricing plans for Mac version. Just choose a plan as per your preference, and you can also use UltFone anniversary celebrations coupon to get 30% discount. I will highly recommend to try out UltFone iOS location changer. Check the link in description and pinned comment to try it out now. This is what I had for now. If you find this useful, do give this video a thumbs up. Also share your views in comments and do consider subscribing to WM Originals for more such videos. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video.